In 1882, Bismarck, North Dakota was one of those conflict points. The town was founded in 1872 on the banks of the Missouri River, and a decade later still had grizzlies. Matson and Merrill observed that European settlers built cities like Bismarck in riparian zones along rivers where grizzly bears also lived. One of those bears was killed after it woke up from hibernation, and as the Yankton Press and Dakotan described it, quote, was attempting to run the town, unquote. Grizzlies like that one posed a threat to people trying to start new lives in the West, so of course those bears had to die.